As you can tell, I'm not a professional van builder, but today we're going to be taking on carpeting the back of the Caddy, Little Raven. So we've got great four-way stretch. I think we've got plenty of adhesive, Stanley knife, scissors. I don't know how it's going to go, but we're going to be doing all the back and the roof. Yeah, but I'm going to have to put you on a time lapse because other than that you'll be watching this for hours. Well, I don't know whether you can see me over there, but I've had a bit of a fight getting that back up there. So we've got the wiring for all the lights. I've just pushed that one back up there. And now we're going to start carpeting this. But first we need to tidy up. But also, snowball fight!
That's not fair, you've got more than me. Ah, got you. Big snowball.
Right, we've got to tidy up.
Bits of fluff everywhere now.
Tidy up because we need a clear run at this. Well, people, we've had a bit of a mammoth task doing this carpeting, but it's all done now. So I've made these window reveals. That one was a real faff. Electrics through temporary, well, first fix anyway. Got the door cards done, looking lovely. Even got, let me open this, even got in there nice little reveal so you don't see the insulation. And just for an extra little touch for her, because it was looking a little bit scabby, we've done up here as well. And to do up there, I had to take this down. So, and I've stuck some carpet inside there as well, just to stop things rolling around. We've got the floor stuck down. Let me take you out. There you are. It's not the Altro flooring, it is just lino. Well, that's just stuck down. So this van has got to be done on a budget. And I don't know whether I've mentioned it, but we put this in here so that there's normally no way of opening that door from the inside. So we've made this up, Janet's made that up. We've attached it to the lever at the bottom so that, give it a pull, open the door. Now, I'm not going to carpet the doors purely and simply because I don't think they look right when you just end the carpet just where the rubber seals go, when you just end it up there. To me it looks a bit naff. So they're staying as they are. They're a bit scratched, but never mind. It was a work van. So how much carpet did it take? How much did we get? We got 8 square meters. I think it was 8 square meters. If I'm wrong, I'll write it down below. But I'm pretty sure it was 8 square meters. Now, I'll just give you a bit of a tip. Let me get in. Obviously, that panel, you've got to get extra for the panels, but the piece that is behind it, that was done in one piece. But that piece over there is what has been cut off, that big piece. You've just got to be careful when you're cutting this to make sure you cut that one so you have enough to do the door card. It is tight, but it can be done. And the bits that you cut off will go and do other bits and pieces. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. First time carpeting a van, and it looks pretty good to me. Let me know what you think. We'll see you on the next one.